Niels Bohr. He discovered the atomic structure in 1913. He first said that the elements could be studied separately because they had different structures, but then this was rejected by Einstein. Bohr is best known for discovering the atomic structure and working with the atomic bomb. Also, he won a Nobel Prize in 1922. Niels Bohr started the atomic structure and it has been changing with years. It's an improvement on the cubic model and plummeting model and the Rutheford model. Since they are very alike, they call it Rutheford-Bohr model.
Joseph John Thomson. J. Thomson discovered the electron in 1893. He discovered the electron in a series of experiments designed to study the nature of electric discharge in a vacuum cathode ray tube. Thomson was the first of many scientists to discover the negatively charged electron.
Democritus. He discovered the atomic theory in the 5th century BC. He did no experiments, but his discoveries survived the Dark Ages and remain unchanged. Democritus' theory stated that all matter is composed of tiny unbreakable units called atoms.
Ernest Rutherford. Rutherford discovered that atoms have a small charged nucleus in 1911. He experimented by shooting narrow beams of small alpha particles at a thin sheet of foil. Since some of the particles scattered instead of going through it, he concluded that there was a positively charged nucleus inside an atom with electrons orbiting around it. Before it was thought that electrons were inside the atom, this concluded that they were actually orbiting outside.
John Dalton. He is best known for the development of the modern atomic theory, which he made public in the early 1800s. Atoms differ by masses. Each element is composed of a unique atom. With this information, he created the periodic table of the elements. His theory stated that chemical combinations of different elements happen in simple numerical ratios by weights. This led to the law of multiple proportions and definite proportions. Compounds are linked together as molecules and are composed of atoms in definite proportions. Atoms determine matter compositions and can be broken down into their individual elements.
Erwin Schrodinger. He is mostly known for his contributions to quantum mechanics. By working with Bohr's model, he discovered that electrons have energy levels in each orbit. This discovery was made at around 1926. Rutherford disproved Bohr's model of roaming electrons by adding energy levels of electrons to the atom models, which made atom models more precise.